Hey there, science fans! Today we're diving into the fascinating world of biomass energy. Biomass is a renewable energy source. It comes from organic matter like plants and animals. Basically, it's stored energy from the sun. Plants use sunlight to grow, and that energy is stored within them. We can harness that stored energy to power our world. Cool, right? Biomass energy matters for a bunch of reasons. First, it's renewable. Unlike fossil fuels, which take millions of years to form, biomass can be replenished relatively quickly. This means we can rely on it for a long time. Second, using biomass for energy can actually help reduce greenhouse gases. When biomass is burned, it releases carbon dioxide, but this is balanced out by the carbon dioxide that the plants absorbed while growing. Think of it like a cycle. Plants absorb carbon dioxide, we use them for energy, and the cycle continues. Lastly, biomass is readily available in many parts of the world. It's a local energy source that can reduce our dependence on fossil fuels. So, next time you see a field of corn or a forest, remember that's potential energy just waiting to be harnessed. Now, you might be wondering, how do we actually turn plants into usable energy? Well, it's a pretty neat process. There are a few different ways to do it, but let's focus on the most common one: direct combustion. Imagine a power plant, but instead of burning coal, we're burning biomass like wood chips or agricultural waste. This heat produces steam, which drives a turbine. The spinning turbine powers a generator, and voila, we have electricity. It's like a giant tea kettle powering a city. Another method is called gasification. In this process, biomass is heated in a low oxygen environment, which produces a gas called syngas. Syngas can be burned directly to generate electricity or used to produce other fuels like biodiesel. Pretty nifty, huh? Biomass comes in many different flavors. Literally, okay, not literally, but you get the idea. The most common type is woody biomass, which includes wood chips, sawdust, and logging residues. Basically anything left over from forestry operations. Then we have agricultural residues like corn stalks, wheat straw, and nutshells. These are the leftovers from farming. Don't forget about dedicated energy crops. These are plants specifically grown for their energy potential, like fast-growing trees and grasses. And hold on tight, because it gets even cooler. We can even use algae as biomass. Algae grows super fast and can be cultivated in wastewater, making them a sustainable and efficient energy source. The biomass powerhouse, mechanical marvels at work. Let's take a peek inside a biomass power plant. At the heart of the operation, we have the mighty boiler. This is where the biomass is burned to generate heat. The boiler is connected to a system of pipes filled with water. As the water heats up, it turns into steam, which is then channeled to a turbine. Think of the turbine as a giant fan. The high-pressure steam spins the turbine blades just like wind spins a windmill. Connected to the turbine is a generator. The generator converts the mechanical energy from the spinning turbine into electricity. And there you have it, folks. From humble biomass to powerful electricity. But wait, there's more. Some biomass power plants also use gasifiers. These ingenious contraptions convert biomass into syngas, which can be burned more efficiently in a combined cycle power plant. Biomass in action, powering our world today. Biomass energy is already playing a significant role in our world. It's used to generate electricity, provide heat, and even fuel our vehicles. Many power plants around the world are switching from coal to biomass, reducing their carbon footprint and supporting local economies. Biomass heating systems are becoming increasingly popular, especially in rural areas. These systems burn wood pellets or chips to provide warmth, reducing dependence on fossil fuel-based heating oil. And get this, we can even make biofuels from biomass. Biodiesel, made from vegetable oils or animal fats, can be used to power diesel engines. Ethanol, produced from corn or sugarcane, can be blended with gasoline. Biofuels offer a cleaner alternative to traditional fossil fuels, reducing our reliance on oil and promoting energy independence. The bright future of biomass, a sustainable energy solution. Biomass energy holds immense potential as a sustainable and versatile energy source for the future. As we continue to develop and refine biomass technologies, we can unlock even greater benefits. Imagine a world where we rely more on locally sourced, renewable biomass and less on polluting fossil fuels. This would mean cleaner air, healthier communities, and a more sustainable future for generations to come. Biomass energy can create jobs, revitalize rural economies, and reduce our dependence on foreign oil. It's a win-win situation for the environment and the economy. So let's continue to explore and embrace the power of biomass. It's a key ingredient in the recipe for a cleaner, brighter future. And remember, science rules.